Hi everyone. My video is of acrylic painting. Um, and the clip is starting kind of towards the middle end, but a little bit of background. So it starts off by giving an outline or sketch of the trees and the road, and then he went into the painting the road, and from there the shrubs and the greenery by using different shades of green. And now, as you can see, the different shades of blue is what he's using right now to do the leaves that have fallen from the trees. And you can see the different shades of blue that he's using in his brush, which is actually a pretty thick, wide brush. And he's using the tip of it to show the leaves. And the light blue, I kind of thought of it as representing like the leaves fading and falling. And now he's using a different brush, which is completely different. It's thin and it's referred to as a round brush, and it's mostly used for detail. And as you can see, he's like barely holding onto it and not putting a lot of pressure on it because the lines are meant to be soft and thin. And he's using it for the branches to go back over for the branches to give it a little bit more of a pop through the leaves. He's also going through the line of trees with it to show those in a bit more detail. And the color is dark, obviously, and meant to be darker than even what the tree trunks are showing, which has a little bit of other shades of yellow on it. But the dark branches are giving it a lot more pop.